Always did this shit before they like this shit. Always live this shit before I write this shit. Cook it till it's done. Always on the mark, baby. I don't jump the gun, jump the gun, jump the gun, baby. I don't jump the gun. Studio doing 2 a days. Feel like I know what. I'ma need that check right now. I'ma need the peanut gallery to pipe down. I'ma need everybody with the loose lips out of this bitch. I'll be on my new shit. Y'all never do shit. You ain't a pro if you ain't producing. Got a new crew every day, but you in the club yelling no new friends. You phony. We are not homies. You tell everyone you know me. They can smell that bullshit. They can tell that you baloney. So don't go fishing. I got friends that don't go missing. Keep them on that walkie-talkie when I'm on my solo missions. I don't come home empty-handed. I get plenty banded. I don't ever lose that money, even if this MC hammer. Always did this shit before they like this shit. Always live this shit before I write this shit. Cook it till it's done. Always on the mark, baby. I don't jump the gun, jump the gun, jump the gun, baby. I don't jump the gun. Working through the night, man, I barely see the sun. Everything getting mapped out. Give me that number, the exact amount. Done doing these favors. I need my quote for a packed house. I don't ask for that much. I just get the shit I deserve. I just got the call from the money man. He said winter's coming, man. What's the word? I ain't worried about timetables. I do this shit for the love. People always gonna be the outlet. I don't do this shit for the plug. I ain't tryna get dapped up. Tell the fake boys they can back up. They be on the tip, then they off the tip, then they cry about it, then they act up. Get your facts up. If the tax up, keep it off the book. Big fish in a small pond. Crazy how I'm still off the hook. Always did this shit before they like this shit. Always live this shit before I write this shit. Cook it till it's done. Always on the mark, baby. I don't jump the gun, jump the gun, jump the gun, baby. I don't jump the gun. Studio doing 2 a days. Feel like I'm